Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2012 Mazda 3. Now the most notable features on this Mazda 3 is its AM/FM CD player. You have your keyless entry as well as your cargo cover. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2012 Mazda 3. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Mazda 3 is its daytime running lights, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you'll see your 16-inch wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors, and the color we're going to be taking a look at today is gray. Now, taking a closer look at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your black interior. And taking a look just on the left-hand side here, you'll see your traction control on and off, power locks, mirror controls, window controls, and window locks. Now, just taking a closer look here now, I'm just going to close in on the exact odometer reading there, and as you can see, you have your fuel indicator there with your trip info. Taking a closer look at the center dash here. On the display there, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So as you can see, your audio will be located on here along with your digital clock and exterior temperature gauge. You do have your hazard lights on here. AM, FM, and CD player are going to be located on here as well. Temperature control settings located down below. As you can see, you have a power outlet there, and it's matted to an automatic transmission. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your trunk. Now, taking a closer look just at the back here. As you can see, you do have the cargo cover in the back, which is nice because you can cover up your valuables just while you're going from place to place. You have a 60-40 split for your rear seat. So in the event that you do need the additional space, it's available to you. And then, if we take a look just underneath the floor, you have your spare tires as well as your jack and toolkit, so if you do find yourself in a bit of a pinch, you know exactly where it's located. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.